It's a 3 Series BMW. I love BMWs. I've owned a lot of them, and I've never owned a 3 Series in my life. I've always said I never would because I'm a 5 Series kind of guy. Heath, what's up, man?
What's up, man?
You came to rescue us today.
I came.
All right. I see you brought the ultimate car too. A Lanch with the diamond plate interior. This is so cool. I always love these trucks. I can't say that enough. That one I just worked on, I had a blast. On today's episode of Watch JR Go, we buy another BMW. What is going on, guys? I'm Watch JR Go, and today I'm here with Heath. You guys want to know what his channel was? Well, he just joined in for today. And I'm here with Jake. His channel's in the description below, like it has been for the last few videos. And we're gonna go buy a 5 Series today because, as you saw in the intro, I'm a lot more of a 5 Series guy than I am a 3 Series guy. So Heath sent me this link this morning. Jake sent me this link about 30 minutes after Heath did. And I woke up to seeing both of those. And I was like, you know what? I guess it's a sign. We better all get together and go buy this 5 Series. So, 2000 528i with a bad water pump. And it has a new expansion tank and a new, well, something else. They said they replaced a few parts. Either way, let's go check it out. But first, I need to tell you about Raid Shadow Legends. Raid Shadow Legends is a turn-based RPG for iOS and Android with over 400 champions for you to collect and personally customize. Raid is one of the top 3 ranked RPGs on the Google Play Store, and it has just been nominated as a finalist for Google Play's Best of 2019 User's Choice Award. It's free to play and it has cool features like multi-battle mode. We should just skip way up here to something that I need to use multi-battle mode on, and then we'll play until we beat this level here. So we'll load a couple characters there, multi-battle, check that out, and it will automatically play 15 games for me in full auto. This game is hugely popular. There's been almost 15 million downloads in the last 6 months. Ah, my team's a monster. It has weekly tournaments and events. This tournament just started right here. And you can check out this video for this cool roadmap they just published. I know Raid has tons of updates coming over the next 6 months, and if you want to follow along with me in the game, my username is WatchJRGo, and I created a clan, and it's also called Watch JR Go. Go to the video description, click on the special links, and you will get 50,000 silver and a free epic champion as part of the new player program to help start your journey. All I do is win, win, win no matter what. And here we are in Pratt, Kansas, almost to this car. We're still doing a little bit of hunting. I think it's on your left up here. And hopefully we see a 5 Series really soon. I wonder how much paint it's missing. Got a cassette player. All right, here we are with my new 2000 528i. I'm a little excited about this because I had this body style 530, and of course I feel like the 530 was a lot better car. Every light on the dash is on this bad boy. Apparently it just needs a water pump, but it also needs rear brakes. The brake lining light's on. It needs an oil change. It's got a few little things, but yeah, we're gonna load this thing up, drag it home, and have some more fun with some BMWs because this car, I love it. First of all, what?
It's actually in really good shape.
It's actually an M Sport package. I thought the wheels looked way too good. It has the M Sport wheels. So they M-badged it, but it is an M Sport.
Those are really nice wheels.
Even better, it has 2 keys. I'm pretty happy about the 2 key thing. So, good deal.
The vents in the door.
Oh, look at that. It has the tilt reverse. I guess they all had that, but I just forgot.
I just heard it run. I didn't know what the heck that was.
And we're back with my 2000 BMW 528. This thing is a mobster machine. And here's something we didn't know when we were there. Well, I saw the M Sport steering wheel and I was like, huh, that's kind of cool. Maybe somebody put that on. Maybe it's an M Sport. Well, here's the thing about the M Sport and the 5 Series. It didn't come out until the year 2003. That's when marketing really adapted that term and started naming everything M Sport they could throw M Tech at, right? So this is the Sport with the awesome wheels. It's lowered, it has better sway bars, it has the M steering wheel, all kinds of cool stuff that makes it look incredible. So it's black, it's on 17s with a huge dish. It looks, I mean, I love the way it looks, I can't say it enough. Anyway, let's hop inside. Let's see what we've got inside this car here because we haven't really dug through it. Here we have Fun Dip, cell phone cases, deodorant, women's deodorant. The mirror fell off, so I'm gonna have to re-glue that bad boy. Hopefully harness is okay. That's good news.
I never understood that thigh bolster.
The thing that slides forward. Actually, so this does have the movable thigh bolster, of course, that sometimes works, right? The switch. It goes in, but not out right now. So, oh, there it goes. You gotta click a couple times, then the contacts work. All right, so we've got the BMW all-weather floor mats, the factory ones, so that's kind of a nice touch. Dirt this thing is full of dirt. Let's see, what do we got here? Oil change, Mobil 1. Well, that's 10 days ago, 11/23. That's awesome. So it just got an oil change, which is cool. We got a holster, always good to have another one of those. Post office receipt, that's a lot of shipping. McDonald's receipts.
There's a flashlight in there you missed.
Oh, it's got the BMW flashlight. Does it work? Oh, I just said all the ones in the 5 Series always work, and I've never had one in a 5 fail. And this one is OEM. Look at that, that's cool. All right, we'll plug it back in for future use. Never know when we might need the flashlight. And we've got a little lanyard here with some keychains on it. Coming on in the car, we've got broken cup holders, which is pretty typical for this. I mean, they sort of work, but they're not great. We've got a bunch of hair ties, air freshener. Yeah, the center console, of course, doesn't open in the 39. Change batteries, lip balm, a cell phone charger that may or may not be connected to anything. All right, we're just gonna say that that's connected to the seat rail there. And one of these days, I'll slide the seat back and get that out of there. Make no mistake about it, this car is dirty. Look at this. We'll just give you a quick pan through here. Ski pass through? Oh, no ski pass through. This is a solid one. It just has so much room back there. I've never seen trash. That's crazy. Oh, nice, nice. All right, so now all I gotta do is clean the leather up. Good call. We've got the opera lights in the back, which are beautiful. Not as nice as the ones on that 3 Series, though. Oh, the rear cup holders are broken. I gotta add those to my to-do list. This is a nice way to reattach that. What do you think? Just send the self-tapping screws through. Oh, they're done on all of them. I didn't get in the back. Usually when I buy these cars, the back seats are completely clean. And no one ever sits in back seats, right? Like, we all have 4-door cars, but it never gets used. Maybe like 5 times during the car's life. These seats have been used and destroyed.
It's like somebody had kids.
Yeah.
It smells like crayons back there.
Yep, and all those empty cigarette packets.
We hit the jackpot?
We hit the jackpot. This is the super fidget spinner, the dangerous one, right? I've never used one like this.
Is that metal?
Yeah, and if you throw it, it goes right through anybody you throw it at. I read it on the internet, it's true. It's time to put this thing in the ground. We're just gonna quit on this car, that's what just happened. The bells have been tolled. There's some Carmex, some cigarette coupons. This car doesn't smell super smoked in.
What's in the compartment? What's that for?
Oh, money!
Nice.
Cool, there's actually money in it.
Everybody wants to see in the trunk. I want to see in the trunk.
All right, let's hit the trunk button.
There's bound to be a body back there.
There must be. Here we go, what are we gonna find? Ah, nothing. Okay, so we got some wiper fluid, a windshield cover, a knife. There's always a knife in every car. Look at this. This came out of the factory toolkit. This is the real question. How much factory toolkit is there? Where's the wrench? Right here's where the 8 and 10 go. So it's only missing 1 wrench. And the triangle, of course, doesn't ship in the US. So I'd like to have the German triangle, you know, the ones that...
You're missing the 13.
I am missing that 1 wrench. Look at that, there's the other wrench. We got the whole toolkit. I am excited. We've got some swim goggles, some donut shop Keurig K-cups, a bunch of Armor All, and here's that knife that's I probably shouldn't touch, but who knows. And then look at this. This is the coolest thing in the world. If you guys have never seen this guy, this is the DVD. Oh wait, this one may not be the DVD-ROM. Hold on. So it says that this is the DVD magazine, but I don't think this one is the DVD player the more I look at it. I thought it was. It's fully loaded with CDs, and I did listen to them, and they're all really weird. And it also looks like we have the line level converter because somebody probably had a system in here at one time. And whatever this is, oh, this is the cell phone wiring that's not hooked up. Okay. A full size. Beautiful.
With the extra cap.
With the center cap for it and all. Man, it's pretty complete. So we're done with the trunk. let's look under the hood and answer the other questions everybody wants to know. All right, here we go. Wow, so this is a thing. We've got this AutoZone intake, it's a Spectre, and a Duralast MAF shoved in there. And I have the 2.8 liter inline six, which seems like a champ, right? It looks okay in the engine bay, and I heard that the expansion tank's new and it needs a water pump, right? So that's kind of what we're planning on chasing down. We're gonna do the water pump and resolve any other cooling system issues that it may have. Change the brakes because the brakes are bad, the brake light is on, and it looks like there's some seepage around the ABS module. We'll have to look into that. And for some reason the air pump hose has been replaced with some super hack job stuff here. I'd like to get the original air pump line for the secondary air, that is. See anything else interesting, Josh?
No, everything else looks pretty good.
Pretty reasonable, right?
Your usual 200,000 mile car stuff. Actually looks really good for the miles.
I don't know if I said 229,000 miles on a 5 Series, but it was, what, $600? Pretty hard to complain because it would probably drive pretty far before it had real issues. And we should probably talk about the other interesting things on the dashboard. So we've got, it's out of fuel, SES lights on, EML lights on, throttle body is, it runs rough when it starts. So the throttle body is hunting and hunting. It probably needs a throttle body. There's the tail lights are burnt out for some reason. I don't know why it's indicating that. You think the air is gonna work?
I'm gonna try it.
Auto. Oh, you can't turn down my side because the button's broken the climate control. Should probably bring that up. So it needs a climate face.
I'll tell you what my side does.
Okay, if it gets cold. And then we've got the DSC light on for some reason. It's indicating 229,000 miles, about to roll 230. There's the brake lining wear indicator, airbag light for some reason, and the seatbelt light, of course, because we don't have our seatbelts on sitting here.
I think this is supposed to be doing something.
Yeah, it may need a blower motor resistor.
I can hear servos in the background.
Yeah.
Moving.
But no blower. Time to add blower motor resistor to the list there. It's probably not the motor, it's usually just the blower motor resistor there.
The car just idled down when I hit the AC button.
Yeah.
I think the pump's running.
I definitely think it kicked in, but we gotta figure out the air. I do need to reset the oil change indicator because it's showing both service indicators, A and B. All right, let's get this thing home. I left out a couple other critical 5 Series features. Look at this. Tilt and telescope power wheel. I wish I had a cold weather pack because it's nice to have the heated steering wheel in these things. And either speed sensing or rain sensing wipers. I think it has the rain sensor up there, so they're probably rain sensing in this car. So that's the next project. I've got 2 black BMWs. The 3 Series will be done this week, hopefully gone this week. And now we can start on the 5 Series. We're just moving up, aren't we? So that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to show you more BMW projects. I told you I enjoy working on these things. And as soon as I bought the first one, it returned. And I was like, all right, we gotta do some work. Also, there's a new center console lid for the 3 Series right there. Just came from LKQ. Thank you to Heath for pulling that for me. Now I just have to put that in and clean up the leather, and the interior on that car will look really presentable. So next up, we're gonna make this thing look presentable. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you wanna do, and I will talk to you next time. I don't really know what else to say about it.